Today we're going to create dramatic portraits with continuous lights. All right, so today we are going to use the Stella Pro Reflex system, and we're going to use two lights. So we're going to do a dramatic portrait using one light, and then we're going to add a second light to see how it changes the dynamic of the portrait. So let's get to it. So not everything has to be complicated, right? So we're going to use the medium Fresnel on this, and we are going to put this here, okay, and plug it in. And what we're going to do is, rather than firing that light directly at Blair, what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna have an assistant hold this almost like a monopod. Let's lock this down. Could have been dangerous. And then just kind of hold this over, right? So I want directional light. I don't want it straight on, flat lighting. I want some dimension, right? So some shadows maybe in her eyes, butterfly underneath. And so we'll see what it's gonna look like, but that's my thought. And I want to expose for her face. So I'm gonna bring this light very, very close to her. And when I do that, what's gonna end up happening is the light fall off, right? Inverse square law of light. What's gonna end up happening is that fall off is gonna be very quick. So the background's gonna go super dark. And then what we'll do for the second light is we'll add a spotlight to the background to lighten that up, and we'll see which ones we like better. So you gotta tell me in the comments. Close your eyes if you need to. Okay, let me get a test shot. Let's rotate this right here. So I'm watching that shadow under her nose. Chin a little more this way, down. And you gotta finesse this light to get it the way you want, right? You're in control of it. Love that, beautiful. So I'm gonna get it vertical and horizontal. Got a 50mm lens, 1.2, head this way, tilt, chin down. It's all about angles. Right, what the camera's seeing, and it's giving us this just spotlight feel. So you can see some detail in the background. Okay, these are super killer, very dramatic, matches the mood. So let's relax that for 1 second. So what we're gonna do is just create a little spotlight. I'm assuming you can see that on your camera. Okay, and so that's just to create a little separation there, and we'll see what the light difference is and how it works, right? So it's not gonna be apples to apples with power because they have different lenses on them on the light. So let's go back to this, Brandy. All right, good, chin hard down at me, right there. Yeah, now I'm gonna turn it up, keep that light there, don't move it. I'm gonna turn this up even higher, but it's popping. It's really creating this dramatic silhouette in that background. There you go. There you go. It's uncomfortable, means you're doing it right. Here we go. Yeah, now we're getting a little bit of that light in the background. You might think it's coming from the main light, but you've seen the difference with and without it, and it's not there. There you go, chin that way, beautiful. Love these. So these are just super cool. All right, let's go square up to me. Hold this closed, wide stance, come up higher. Yep, I'm watching that shadow. Now I can actually see some shadow under her chin. We'll do a video on lighting at another time, right? So as I come more up, I'm gonna create a larger shadow. And as I come down, we'll get rid of that shadow. So for this, it's pretty flat, which is interesting in this look, by the way, because this is the look, if you're a wedding photographer right now, everybody wants this look, right? It's on camera flash firing direct at them at eye level. That's what we're getting right here. It's not my goal. I was taught not to do that, right? We didn't want that look, but now that's in, whatever, TikTok figured out it's in, so must be in. All right, so here we go. So I'm watching that shadow, good. Square up to me with your chest and shoulders. You're still tilted a little this way. There we go, good. Turtle, chin out, down, good. Just gonna get this, okay. I like the hands. Roll the shoulders forward. Ooh, I like that. Here we go, let's see what we're getting. Oh, this is fun. Chin down. So it's really a different look. All right, so there you have it, 2 light setup. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. I mean, they're both different, right? But they've got this deep, dark vibe to them. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Be creative, master your craft, try something different. Don't let anybody tell you it's right or wrong. Do things that get your clients excited, do things that build your portfolio. And these new Stella lights, I can't say enough good things about them. So we'll see you in the next video.